Greetings, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on using GitHub with SSH Part 2, adding the SSH key to GitHub. Please like, share, and subscribe, and most importantly, reach out to me in the comment section for any help, tips, and suggestions. Right, so this part, like the first part, is also simple. All we need to do here is we need to go ahead and add our public key over to our GitHub account. Right, so you want to head over to this link here. You want to go ahead and paste that public key in. Right, so now I'm going to go ahead, paste my key here like so. Right, this is my public key. Go ahead and add the SSH key. Then I'll go ahead and provide my password as necessary, as well as additional authorization steps. Right, so there is my SSH key. Right, so now it's added. So now when I start to interact with GitHub using SSH through the terminal, right, then my private key definitely needs to be added to my SSH credentials with my GitHub software. Right, so in the third video, we're going to see how to exactly set that up. Right, so thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Most importantly, reach out to us in the comments for any help, tips, and suggestions.